In the ever-evolving world of creative technology, few companies carry the weight and influence that DJI does. Known for their drones, gimbals, and compact cameras, DJI has built a reputation for pushing boundaries and setting standards. So when whispers start circulating about a new device, the entire creator community pays attention. And right now, that buzz is centered on something called the DJI OSMO 360. It hasn't been officially announced. There's no confirmed specs page, no press conference. But sometimes a small leak is enough to create a ripple effect, and that's exactly what's happening here. A single leaked image, now circulating among reliable sources, has ignited a flurry of speculation. That image might be the first real look at DJI's next-generation compact camera. If the rumors are even partially true, the OSMO 360 could be one of the most exciting tools for content creators in years. Let's break it all down. What do we know? What do we suspect? And what could this device mean for photographers, filmmakers, vloggers, and anyone who creates on the go? The image that sparked this entire conversation didn't come from a flashy ad or promo campaign. It came from a leak, likely pulled from a development pipeline or product testing lab. The picture shows a device mounted on what looks like an unusually thick selfie stick or extension pole, but this isn't any ordinary stick. It appears reinforced, rugged, possibly even powered. That one detail the stick may be more revealing than the camera itself. Some insiders believe this is no ordinary grip. It might be a battery bar, capable of wirelessly powering the OSMO 360 during recording. If that's true, we're looking at a camera system that's been designed not just for short clips and casual moments, but for long-form capture, possibly lasting up to 3 hours in high resolution. That's a game changer. Long shoots usually mean overheating issues or power interruptions. But if DJI is engineering a way to keep the camera rolling for hours even at 8K 30 fps, then we're entering new territory for mobile video production. Even with that